she comes, there she goes. Gather around, she's about to start the show. Here she comes, there she goes. Go get your peoples, the camera's about to roll. It's simple beauty. Makeup, yeah, nail tutorials, hair challenges, vlogs, and more for you. Makeup, yeah, nail tutorials, hair challenges, vlogs, and more for you. Hey, it's me, Simple Beauty. What up, beauties and gents? It's your girl Simple Beauty, and I'm back again with another video. Okay, today I'm bored, and I had planned to do some other things with my husband, but I could tell he was tired, so I was just like, you know what, it's okay, you can chill and hang out or whatever. So he ends up falling asleep, and so I started thinking, what can I do to annoy him or make him want to get up? Now, he's not very expressive like I am, so I don't know how his reaction is going to be, but I'm going to try to mess with him anyway, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, let me go in there. Today, I'm going to try to wake him up from his sleep by pouring water. I don't know, I think I'm trying to sneeze on him, and if he doesn't fall for it, then I'm just pour water on him. That's kind of mean. Let's get into the video.
Some of these pink, some red, and white. Girl, you get like 6 white. 1, 2, 3.
What do I do? Do I just watch you guys?
Get 6 red.
Okay.
You got 6 white. Get those, Gary. So we got those balloons. And remember, guys, don't let them loose in the thing. Just hold them off. Grab that one too, yeah. Alright, you guys. So we just made it home. May still getting her massage and stuff.
Beep.
She's not expecting this at all. She has no idea, y'all. So anyways, we got some roses. Let me pick this up. That's called the sneeze it. She been talking about these earlier this year. She always said she wanted those. And then I got baby shoes. Sandals for it, because she has the bag and all that. No, don't put them in there. That's the gift. We got her cards. We wrote on some cards for her also. But anyway. We got her cards. We wrote on some cards for her also. But anyways, guys, y'all ready to go get her? Let's go. Let's go get her, man. Y'all comment down below what y'all think her reaction is gonna be.
Hey. No. Where you going?
Okay, babe.
I brought you a towel.
It's okay.
Here.
Babe, it's alright. Come on.
It's a face towel.
No.
Here.
Babe, that's okay.
All right, y'all. So his expression, he was definitely annoyed. But he didn't get mad because he wasn't going to get mad for the camera. He's in the bathroom right now, probably trying to calm down. So, I don't know. Comment down below what else I should do, or go onto my social media, Simple Beauty, at Simple Beauty 123 on Instagram, at Simple Beauty 123 on Snapchat, and at Simple Beauty Vlogger on Facebook. This is what I look like when I'm at home chilling. I just got my hair wrapped up. But anyway, make sure you comment to give me some more ideas. And we'll be back. Peace.
Stop calling me, please.
Can I give you a hug?
Chill, leave me
Please.
alone.
Are you mad?
No, just stop.
Just give me a hug.
Not post this.
Give me a hug.
Mm-hmm.